Hello friends, in this video we will look at our load runtime meter, which basically monitors the time for which a particular machine is working. So let's first look at the connections. Connections are very simple. Auxiliary supply of 220 volt has to be given on top left, and there is a CT of 60 ampere provided, which is already connected to the device. You just have to pass the machine wire through this CT. So by default, it will show you the time, run time. This is in hours and minutes. And here it will show you the running current. When the current is passing through the machine, through this CT, it will show you the actual current which is passing through it. So this will give you a live data for the today's consumption. Like it is showing 43 minutes for today. At any time you can see today's time and the date. The top line shows the time, current time 5:34. This shows the date and it reverts back to the running display. If you wish to look at the previous data for last 7 days, you just need to press down button. So like we were doing a test and changing the dates manually, so it shows that it ran 7 minutes on 20th of November, 8 minutes on 21, like this. So it will show you data for last 6 days, and 7th current date data is shown live. Suppose if by chance you leave the display on any other page, it will automatically revert to the original page after some time. So there is no need to do anything. So this is about what it will show: hours and minutes on the top line, current in the bottom line, and 6 days data by pressing the down button. You can also make some settings for the time. If you wish to change the time, you just press 2000 in the password, which can be accessed from this menu button, and you press this button continuously one after the other. So now you are entering you can change the date and time here. So like November month, 18th date, 17th. Suppose you want to change the hours or any time. You just press menu button once. Now it will start blinking. And by pressing up and down button, you can change the setting. Once you are through with the setting changes, you can always come back by pressing the 4th button 2 times. We have also given another setting for the load. Like if the load setting goes above a particular point, set current, only then it will start monitoring the current and count the time. So like right now it is set at 10 ampere. So if the current goes above 10 ampere, only then it will start counting the run time for the machine. It can also be changed by pressing this button. You can make it up and down. Even decimal is shiftable, like you can set different values of current. Let's say you wish to set 10 ampere. So this is what it will do. It will ask whether you want to save. Yes. So you come back to the normal display. And as we said, history can be seen by pressing the down button. The top line will show hours and minutes, and the second line will show the date. And in the current date display, it will show hours and minutes on the top and the running current in the second line. Thank you.